Hello everybody, I am going to be giving you a review and my thoughts on the Tim Holtz media mat, the glass media mat. It came out quite a while ago. I got my hands on it a few months back. Scrapbook.com had sent it to me. I was doing a like a little video for their gift guide. It was mainly featuring the scraper tool and the ruler tool, the edge ruler tool. So I didn't really have much time to talk about the full mat because they wanted me to focus on this. This is not a paid sponsorship. They didn't pay me to talk about it. Tonic Studios didn't pay me to talk about it, but I did get the products for free. Also, in the description box, you can find links to where you can purchase these products. They are affiliate links. Use them if you want. It really does help me out. If you don't, no hard feelings. It doesn't matter either way, but it does help me out when you guys use my affiliate links. And they're always listed in the description box down below. All right, so the glass media mat, it is, let me see the size of the whole thing. Get it over here. I'm sure you can find all of this information somewhere online, but it is about 14.5 by 23.25 or 3/4 ish. So almost like 24 by 15 almost. So that's the whole mat. And it is tempered glass and it has this really nice grid, as you can see here, and it has a middle point here. And I probably won't be using this very much in videos, only because you could see there is a very bad glare. To me, it's very distracting, so I just think maybe it would distract my viewers as well, but it is very nice to use. I did like I said, I did do a little video for scrapbook.com showing the different mat, and I was focusing on the tool set that you can buy. This is an edger tool and a scraper tool, but we'll get to those in just a second. All right, so you have the grid here, and you have this nice mat here where it pulls up, and then it has like a grid on this side. It's kind of hard to see the contrast between the black and the white. It kind of washes out the white a little bit in the video, but there is a grid here. You can use alcohol inks on this. You don't want to use alcohol inks on this mat here. It will kind of get it all messy. It will stain it, so he does recommend using the tempered glass. And then you can use like distress inks, kind of put them here, or you know, all sorts of different uses. You can use watercolors. That's probably what I will probably do with it if I'm watercoloring an image. I can use kind of, because I tend to mix in the palette box, so this will be nice to use that as well. So you can use this mat here to ink blend all sorts of different things, and then and it is raised, which is really nice because then you have all of this extra area around where it's gonna stay kind of, you know, clear of clutter. So this portion, not your desk. My desk gets so messy when I'm creating, it's crazy. But and it has the Tonic Studios Tim Holtz there, and then on the bottom it has these rubber feet so that it doesn't slide around. I'll just flip it back. And I'm going to talk just a moment about the scraper tool. I use this for a bone folder type of tool, and then you can also use it to scrape kind of different media off of your mat. I use some gel on here and some light paste, some modeling paste, things like that, and you can just kind of scrape it off if it gets really gunky on there. The edger tool is really nice because if you're kind of in a hurry and you don't want to take out a, you know, say you have a stamp platform, you don't want to take it out kind of in a hurry, like I said, you can use the edger tool to line up whatever you're stamping and kind of go from there. I don't have, oh yes I do. I have a stamp block right here and a stamp here. So you would just take it. Again, the stamp platform would probably be best for a stamp like this, only because you can stamp it a couple times. This isn't completely lined up, but I think you'll probably get the gist of what I'm talking about. Remove it and stamp your sentiment or image, whatever you want. You can line it up really nicely, just like that. And you can turn it around like this. And it has a really nice Tim Holtz logo here. Let's see if that will focus. Maybe, maybe not. Come on. There we go. It's really nice. And this is not in place of the clear Tim Holtz ruler. This does not have a grid on it or any measurements or anything like that. So it is just used for the media mat to line things up, which I don't tend to do. I don't mind if something is a little wonky. I think it gives a project character and just something a little extra. But I know a lot of people, especially stampers, will probably like this feature as well. And the scraper tool and the edge ruler is separate from the glass media mat. And the glass media mat does come really nicely boxed. I don't think it would get damaged in shipping or anything like that. Let's see what else. All right, so you can put some ink on this mat or even on the glass if you want, and take a water brush, and this does not have water on it yet. There we go. And kind of watercolor. Obviously you'd be doing this with something else, but I'm just gonna try to show you guys, and you can always swipe it up. So really fun, versatile tool to have. It's a little big. I have trouble deciding where I'm going to store it, but it definitely is something that I enjoy having. So there we go. And like I said, I do more mixed media, so I will definitely be using modeling paste on here, crackle paste, all sorts of different pastes and gels and different things like that. And it does wipe up really, really well. All right, so that gives you a little look at the glass media mat from Tim Holtz and Tonic Studios. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have the glass media mat, leave me a comment down below letting me know how you like it, if you use it all the time, if it's still in the box, that sort of thing. Or if you want the glass media mat, let me know why you want it the most, like what you would use it for the most. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you are new to my channel. Hit that bell notification to be notified every time I upload. And again, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.